Now in the dimensions of the, in the geometrical layout, you can see that we have in the center of the revolve feature, we have to remove the material at a distance of 5 depth, and it is having a diameter of 98 again. So I'll just delete it, but let me just check up where do I do it. Should I work on this side or on this side? So when I'm aligning my view with respect to the right hand side view, as per the sketch given to us, you can see it is on the right hand side. That means I have to remove the material from this particular surface. So this removal of material is a very simple process. You can either use a hole or create a circle by extrude command and just remove the material. So I'll use the extrude command and I'll just change the type of view to hidden line so that I can see the circle which is present in the rear side. And mind you, the diameter of both the features is similar, so I can just refer the dimension with respect to the hidden feature. I'll select the center circle and I'll just click on the center point and stop at the rear feature. So the dimension is similar because the diameter is same. So it's not required for me to re-enter because it is automatically constrained. I'll change the view right now to shading with edges and press OK. I need to remove the material. So I have to first change the direction, but the material removal is for a distance of 5 units. And I've removed the material. Simply press OK. And after this, again we have a material removal. You can observe over here that this particular diameter 50 units is a hole over here. You can see over here. Okay, so I'll just try to remove the hole, create a hole again. I can simply utilize the hole feature. I'll click on the axis and select the surface by pressing the control switch. I'll just change the type to up to the next and increase the diameter of the hole to 50 units, which is present over here, and press OK. So this is done. We have created another hole over here, right? Then after this, let me just create off the keyway over here, and the dimension is 14 by 5. So I'll just press Ctrl D. I have to create the keyway over here. So I'll just press extrude. It is again a material removal process. So you can see the ease in creation of the geometry. We have simply revolved it and we're just removing the material. So I'll just add a center line because I want it to be symmetric. So center line is not getting selected according to the plane. I'll just add a reference line first. On that I'll be adding a center line. Have I added? Yes. Okay, so I'll be using the corner rectangle. So I'll just see that it is symmetric and the dimension should be 14 by 5. Okay, and I'll just press OK. Change the direction for material removal, and the material removal is, you can see over here, the material is getting removed up to the next. So I'll just change the depth to up to the next, and you can see the material being removed. Clear? So we have completed this task as well. The next task for us is to create the 4 holes which are counterbore holes.